Hello everyone, welcome to Compound's channel. Today's video is about global investing. Everything that you need to know about global investing with Compound. Why should you as an Indian investor invest in the global markets? Let's understand. The term global investing is used to refer to a strategy of investment that is not constrained by any geographical location. Global investing has become vital for our portfolios as we take part in the global growth story. Adding international stocks to our portfolio offers diversification and may provide higher returns. However, there are both benefits and risks associated with global investing. We will try to cover a few significant ones in this video. What are the benefits of global investing? Let's understand. First is access to global leaders such as Amazon, Apple, Google, Netflix, etc. These companies have a proven record for providing high returns to their investors. Second is diversification. It is the most obvious yet the most crucial benefit of global investing. A diversified portfolio acts as a source of great stability during the market volatility. When you spread out your investment across geographies, there's a low correlation between them, which reduces the risk. Next is investors can directly invest in the stocks. Investors get the choice to invest directly in world's biggest companies, which are otherwise inaccessible to them. Then is wide range of investment options that are available in the global markets, which might not be available in the domestic markets. Next is investor get an exposure to currency diversification. Investing overseas exposes investors to currency appreciation or depreciation. Emerging markets currency depreciate over the long term, but by investing globally, portfolios have generally had the dual benefit of better markets and appreciating currency. Another significant benefit of global investing is the protection of investments against fraud and liquidation. Developed market companies generally have a strong regulation that ensures sound corporate governance and severe penalties for market abuse. Why should you, as an investor, choose Compound? Here's why. There are no account minimums that you have to pay when you sign up with Compound. Compound also has an easy account opening process which takes less than 3 minutes of your time. You can open an account with basic information such as name, address proof, date of birth, etc. and you only need your PAN card. You can invest in fractional stocks as well. You can choose from over 3,500 US stocks and worldwide ETFs. Compound allows for theme-based investing, which gives you a broader risk mitigation. Compound has partnered with DriveWealth. Our partner DriveWealth is a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority and Securities Investor Protection Corporation. DriveWealth is a licensed carrying and self-clearing broker based out of the United States, registered in all 50 states, offering brokerage solutions to broker-dealers, advisors, and online partners worldwide. If you already have a US stock account with DriveWealth via some other platform, you can transfer your shares to your new US stocks account on Compound platform for free by simply filling and signing an internal transfer of assets form, which usually takes not more than 1 day to process. As an investor, you may wonder, how safe is my money? Well, let me answer that for you. DriveWealth is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which protects securities and cash in your account up to 5 lakh US dollars, of which 2,50,000 US dollars may be in cash. A non-US citizen with an account at a brokerage firm that is a member of the SIPC is treated the same as a resident or citizen of the United States with an account at a brokerage firm that is also a member of the SIPC. Please note that SIPC does not protect against the decline in the value of your securities, as it is a market phenomenon. How do you transfer money into your US stock accounts? Sending money to your US stock account is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India and is done as per the LRS, which is the Liberalized Remittance Scheme. There are two routes to wiring money to your US stock accounts. First is the digital mode. Currently, this is offered in India via ICICI, HDFC, IDFC and Kotak Bank. Transferring money will involve adding DriveWealth as a payment beneficiary via respective net banking portals and sending money to DriveWe. The second option is non-digital mode. This involves filling and signing a money remittance form, which is also known as the A2 form, and submitting the same to your bank. Once your US stock account is created, our team will email you a filled form which you will need to sign. We will also provide assistance with having the form dropped off to the bank. You are only allowed to transfer funds via bank for the purpose of investing in US stocks. Please avoid any other method to fund your account, and in case of any confusion, reach out to us at support@compound.com. Once the funds are successfully transferred, you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs right on the platform. Browse through our catalog to select stocks and ETFs, or reach out to your wealth manager to get a customized investment proposal. A large order can be facilitated by our back-end team upon request. Please reach out to us via email to learn more about the process. Holding shares of big names such as Apple is still a dream for many. But with global investing, your US stock account allows you to purchase fractional shares. You can invest as low as $0.01, that is 75 paise in our currency. A fractional share is a part of one share, that is less than one full share. You don't need to buy one full share in stock to be a shareholder. You can just buy a fraction of it. One of the most important information that you as a global investor should know is about the trading hours of the US Stock Exchange. As per the Indian Standard Time, it is from 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. during 14th March 2021 to 7th November 2021. And from 8 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. during 8th November 2021 and 13th March 2022. Any orders placed outside of US market hours will be queued and executed automatically as soon as the markets open in the next trading session. Any orders that is unfulfilled or not yet executed can be cancelled from the transactions section in your US stock investment section. You can also buy and sell a stock on the same day, that is intraday trading is also allowed. The clearing and settlement procedure is simple. The clearing and settlement time for a purchase or sale transaction of stocks is T plus 2 business days. Once the amount is settled into your stock trading account, you can have the same wired to your linked bank account in India. The amount withdrawn takes about 5 to 10 days to reflect in your account. How are the income earned by investor taxed? Let's understand. There are mainly two types of income that an investor earns, that is dividend and capital gain. Dividends are taxed at source at a flat rate of 25%. So the money you receive in your US stock account as a result of dividend payment will be post-deduction of tax. You can, however, offset this tax deducted in your yearly income tax filing in India and get a credit for the same. We handle all formalities to enable this tax credit when you create a US stock accounts with us. Second is the capital gain. Capital gains are only taxed in India. Due to the double taxation avoidance agreement between India and US, there is no tax on capital gains deducted in US for the Indian residents. Now, if you hold a security and sell it before 24 months and realize a gain, it is classified as a short-term capital gain and is taxed at your applicable slab rate plus applicable surcharge and education cess. If you sell a security after holding it for more than 24 months and realize a gain, it is classified as the long-term capital gain and is taxed at 20% plus applicable surcharge and education cess. These were some of the things you needed to know before globally investing. For more information about global investing and how you can create an account with Compound, please visit our website www.compound.in. Thank you.